my first withdrawal on this particular platform, and up here you are going to see another withdrawal of 88,000. Okay, this is 100,000 and this is 88,800 naira. The combination of that two is currently 180,000 plus, right? I have another account on this platform which is currently having 112,000 naira, as you can see right here. Okay, I'm going to be withdrawing this straight into my bank account right now, and we all are going to watch how long it will take the withdrawal to drop. This is the right time you actually start now, but before you start, make sure you watch this video till the end so you get to know the do's and don'ts of this platform. So first of all, let me add my withdrawal bank account by clicking on bank card here. Then I'm going to land on this page. I need to click on the button that says add new card down below. So once I click on that, I'm going to land here. I'll put in the name on the account and also the bank account number. After entering the account number and everything, you're going to be requested to put in your trade password. Okay, you're actually going to set this when you are registering on the platform. After inserting it, you want to click on the button that says, I'm going to click on the withdraw button over here. So once I click on withdraw, I'm going to land on this page. So then the first thing I want to do is to select the bank account that I'm withdrawing into. I'm going to tick this box in front of the bank account so that it's going to be checked. Alright, you can see right here. Now I need to put in the amount I want to withdraw right now. Currently 112,000 naira. After then, you want to put in your trade password and then make sure you go down below and check the withdrawal rules right here. Okay, you're going to see the instructions. The platform is going to charge you just 12% of your withdrawal, and the minimum is 1,500 naira with a maximum of 100,000 naira. Okay, if we take note again, you're going to see that the maximum withdrawal is 100,000 naira, which means I'm going to make it 100,000. So you can now scroll down below and click on confirm. Okay, so now the withdrawal is currently processing right now, so we just have to wait patiently to receive it into our bank account. I'm still having the 12,000 naira left on my balance right now, but mind you, withdrawal is just one time per day. So while we wait to receive it, let's proceed with this video, and once we get the withdrawal into our bank account, I'm going to notify you. Of course, you all are going to see the notification too. Okay, so now for you to get started on this platform, just visit the description of this video, click on your registration link down there. You are going to land on the registration page. All you have to do is to insert your phone number, a very active phone number. Okay, make sure you remove the first zero of your phone number when you're inserting it. Input a password, put in a nickname, that is a username. Then you want to scroll down here and click on send. Okay, when you click on that send, they are going to send a verification code into your phone number. Once you've received the code, you want to put it into this particular box here. Then click on the button that says sign up down below. After signing up, you are going to see a pop-up, a very small pop-up that will ask for your trade code. Okay, just put any 6-digit code that you cannot forget, and then you are good to go. Alright, after your registration, you want to go ahead and check out their products page. That is basically how you make money on this platform. If you click on products right here, you are going to land on their products page, where you are going to see the list of their packages on this platform. Alright, so all these packages are what you are going to use to make money for yourself. Alright, so this particular first package is 15,000 naira only, and you're going to be getting 3,000 naira as your daily income, which means in 5 days you are going to get even more than the amount that you invested. Right, there's another package of 20,000 naira that's going to be giving you 4,200 naira every single day, which means in 5 days you've still gotten more than the amount you invested. There's one of 50,000, 80,000 to 100,000. Right, so this one of 50,000 is giving you 12.5 every single day, and you can check out for other ones like that as well. Okay, so now for you to get started on the platform, if you want to invest, you need to make a recharge into your account, of course. But before you make recharge, make sure you do your own personal research, because this is not a financial advice. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I didn't create this platform, and I do not know who created it. It is just a money-making opportunity that I discovered, and I decided to share it. Okay, so if you want to join their Telegram channel, whenever you see this pop up right here, just click on it. Okay, you're going to land on their Telegram channel, and you'll get more information about the platform. Alright, so now for you to get started, go over to the home page right here. On this particular home page, you are going to see a section that says top up. Okay, click on that top up right there, and when you click on it, you are going to land on this page. Put in the amount that you want to deposit. Maybe you are unlocking a package of 50,000. Just put 50,000 over there. Then you want to select this particular section right here. Okay, once you select it, you are going to click on the button down below that says confirm. Okay, when you click on that button, just wait patiently for the next page to load up. Right, so a lot of people usually do have some issues on this page. If you have any issue, just click on your phone back button. When you click on your phone back button, put in the amount that you want to recharge again, then click on the confirm button again. Let this page actually come ahead and reload, okay? When the page reload, you are going to see this page right here. So all you have to do is to click on this pay with bank transfer. When you click on it, then you are going to land on the next page where they're going to give you an account number that you can easily pay into. So copy this account number by clicking on the copy icon in front of it. Then go ahead and transfer the money into it. This is the name of the bank and this is the name on the account. Make sure you take note of everything. After transferring the money, you want to come down here and click on I have sent the money. So after then, you are going to wait patiently to receive the money on your dashboard right here, okay? This is where you are going to see the money right here on your balance. So after then, you can now go ahead and purchase your package. When you click on the product section right here, then you are going to land on the product page. Just click on the product that you want to purchase, right? So when you click on it, you are going to see this pop up. Just click on the button that says invest now. Then you are good to go. The product is going to be unlocked for you automatically, guys, okay? So now that is basically how you make the money on the platform. You can download the app by clicking on this our app, okay? And if you want to withdraw, you already see the withdrawal button. Now there is daily check-in. Click on these tasks right here. When you click on it, you are going to land here. Just click on this section that says signed, okay? You are going to get your daily 200 naira. Click on confirm and you are done, okay? So now next you can easily connect with your customer support by clicking on this online service. When you click on it, you are going to see two pop up. The first one is to join their Telegram channel, while the second one is to reach them on WhatsApp if you have any question regarding this platform, okay? So this is basically how the platform operates, and I believe you all are going to enjoy and benefit from it while it lasts. You can check your withdrawal record, your deposit record, your balance record, your earnings record, commission, reward, and all. So everything is right there on that page. And any product that you've unlocked, you can easily check it right here, okay? Alright guys, the withdrawal is here right now. As you can see, it has actually dropped into my bank account. It took around 30 to 40 minutes to